Hi, welcome to Trading with TK, teaching you to turn ideas into money. We're at www.tradingwithtk.com, and today's Monday, June 16th. Well, we had the Dow down, the NASDAQ up, the S&P up a wee bit, transports up a wee bit, a little bit of a confusing market. The kickback rally, obviously, in the NASDAQ is not quite over, at least not until maybe late this afternoon anyway. But it is clear to me that the NASDAQ market, on a relative basis, meaning compared to, let's say, the Dow and some of the other indexes, clearly is outpacing all the other indexes. When the market has these little kickback rallies, these respond excellent. And some of the chart, they're just shaping up nice. Some of the semiconductors just keep getting better and better looking, some of these charts. So we'll take a look at the averages in our final segment. Even though I am expecting another wave of selling, probably sometime this week. It might even start tomorrow because we're pretty overbought. It's got to get corrected. There's no question about it. It's always done it in the past. It's going to do it again. The question is, what hour does it start? But in light of that, the NASDAQ just holds up so much better than all the other indexes. So I'll show you what I mean. And on that note, I even have a new idea, which is on the long side. And our idea for tomorrow is QI. It's another semiconductor stock. These semiconductors, after being beat up for years, are finally starting to shape up and make a big turn. They've been depressed for years, and now they're actually starting to put in some big long-term bases. I'll show you what I mean in this QI. It fits the bill. Okay, so in just a moment we're going to take a look at this chart, and I'll show you exactly how we're going to take this idea and turn it into some money. So don't go away. I'll be right back. Okay, we're looking at a daily bar chart of QI. It's a semiconductor. And this call is on the long side, and we'll be looking to buy this stock tomorrow somewhere around. Even though I'm expecting a sell-off, this stock looks so good. But I've been looking to buy this stock somewhere between 430 and 460. It closed at 460. I think it'll pull back in the morning a little bit. We've got a target of $6.80. This is our first target because I think that this is a major bottom. But I think we'll get it up to 680, and then on the next pullback we'll buy it back again and we'll trade it on the staircasing it up. Okay, what do I like about it? Let me zoom in a little bit here and I'll show you what I see. I'm calling this this is a breakout pullback go. Okay, that's our original breakout spot right here. That's the breakout. It pulled back, tried to break out again, but it pulled back right to support, and now it's turning the corner and it's getting ready to put in another new high. It's already actually almost broken out on this move, but it's backing and filling. It might back and fill for a day or two. It may even pull back down into here, but it doesn't matter because this is just got this big rounded looking bottom. This is a good bet. Okay, let me recap that. That's QI. This is a call on the long side. And I think we can make $2.20 on this on the initial trade. Okay, let's take a look at the major indexes and see if they've run into resistance and that we can expect some kind of selling in the next day or two. As I mentioned, this is the Dow. As I mentioned earlier, the Dow did close down, and it is bumping its head right on that resistance level. Hasn't gotten through. There it is right there. It actually had what you might kind of consider a reversal day, where you had a higher high and a lower close. Doesn't jump out at you, but it's there. Anyway, this is the resistance we're dealing with. And even if we were to get through that, you've got another layer of resistance right here, right above it. And this is our target, the old low. So the Dow did not make any ground. The transportation average was up $10, but it doesn't really look like it made any ground. It still could get up to this resistance area right in here. That would not surprise me. And if it rolled right over from here, it wouldn't surprise me either. Let's take a look at the SPY, which is basically the Standard & Poor's 500. This is our main resistance right in here. It's trying to work its way up there, but I mean, it closed up 8 cents. So there's no real buying going on in the S&P and the Dow. Where all the buying is going on is in the NASDAQ stocks, and it's very obvious. QQQs, the top 100 NASDAQ stocks. I'm saying that this is going to be resistance, and this is going to stop it for tomorrow. I don't know if you remember about a week and a half ago when we first started talking about the decline. I said it probably is going to be what I would call a soft landing sell-off, meaning that it will be a tradable sell-off. You know, every time they knock them down and they get oversold, they'll kick back into a rally, and then they'll sell them down again, and then you'll get another rally back up, and that's exactly the way this is starting to play out. And I expect it to continue that way. So if we get a sell-off in the next couple of days and we get down into here somewhere, I expect another kickback rally again. Especially in these NASDAQ stocks, they really outshine all the other indexes that I've been watching. It was very apparent today. Okay, so we are overbought short term in all the indexes. I am expecting some sort of weakness in the next. I would expect it should start tomorrow, but you know, you never know exactly when. You just got to be patient and wait for it. All right, so that's my view of the market until tomorrow. This is TK signing off.